Hey folks, Watson's Wagons. I'm actually going to work on my Jeep today, and I went to Harbor Freight, picked up a 45-piece threaded insert riveter kit. Okay, and here's what the tool looks like. Alright, it's got this riveting action going on, and basically you're going to put these inserts in there, which simply screw onto this post, and it comes with 4 different sizes. Alright, that's going to go on. I'm going to take this drill bit, I'm going to bore a freaking hole in the top of my truck. I'm going to insert this, crimp it, and then the visor is going to get mounted with this rust-proof bolt. So let's see what happens. Don't try this at home. Yeah. So here's what I did. When I started to align this visor, I went ahead and sort of bent things into shape and did the best that I could. And then I drove self-tapping screws into this just to get it to hold in place. A couple things that helps me to get it sized up and mounted. Next thing, now I have pilot holes that I can use to drill out. So I'm going to okay. See how that blind piece fits in there. Now we're going to take the tool and crimp it into place. All right, hopefully I can capture this without doinking it up. All right, I got to put 2 hands on it. Okay, so it's crimped in there. Let's open the door. See how it looks from the inside. And you can see where it swelled itself up against there, so it's a nice tight seal. Anyhow, I got the stuff in there. I cleaned off the surface. I'm just going to give this a little hit of the color. Yeah, that stuff smells good. That's good stuff, by the way, right? G503, get you some. All right, get it painted over, protect it. We'll just let that freaking dry. Now, as you can see, these bolts are contoured to the curve, and I'm just going to simply drive them in, a little at a time. Yeah. And that dude is on there. Probably not going to leak. Yep, looks good. What do you think? Easy as pie? I think so. And we're going to torque it down with a large screwdriver. That'll help tighten that piece up even further. And that ain't going anywhere. Looks good. Let's go do the other side. So, it's in there way more permanent now than it was. Now we'll just clean everything off. Maybe even take it off now since I've got my locations mounted. Sand, get this all painted the same color as the truck. Might even leave that chrome, who knows. That's it, folks.
So, that's pretty cool. It went easier than I thought. It ain't perfect, but if you gotta put something in there blind like that, then get you one of them tools. It's a, here's what the cover looks like. Harbor Freight, 25% off coupon. Can't go wrong. And like I said, it comes with, you know, 3 other sizes. And the sizes are, dun 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 dun. There's 4 different nose pieces, and there are 10 by 24, 1/4 by 20 inserts, 10 each. But those are all different sizes, so anyhow. Hey, that's it. Have a good day.
So, get out there and work on your Jeeps. Yeah.